Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your AWS credentials and region are accessible, otherwise Terraform cannot reach Secrets Manager. Once done, install Terraform 1. 0 or newer, add the Oz provider block and run Terraform in it to download plugins. Make sure to create a dedicated workspace or state backend now to avoid state collisions. Then create a minimal main, TF with provider, and an Oz Secrets Manager secret resource to validate connectivity. This gets you past configuration issues early, so subsequent steps focus on secret life. Next, declare the secret resource and a secret version that holds the secret string or binary. This separates metadata from value. Use KMS key ID if you need customer-managed encryption keys, and consider replication configuration for multi-region availability. Then add IAM statements or a policy document so your application IAM role can call Secrets Manager, get secret value. Without that, reads will fail. Once these resources are in main, TF, run Terraform plan to review changes, then apply to create the secret and grant access. Finally, integrate secrets into your infrastructure by referencing the secret ARN or using the Oz Secrets Manager secret version data source to read values securely. If you require automatic rotation, configure Oz Secrets Manager secret rotation with a Lambda handler and test rotation lifecycle. Make sure to plan and apply changes after updates. This avoids surprises. If things go wrong, first inspect IAM permissions, then KMS grants, and ensure no Terraform state lock. These are the most common failure points, and resolving them restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.